We recommend that you patch test before treatment. People start to come back into the salon, it's really important that we re-patch test everyone. We'll need to fill out a new consultation form for every client. We recommend that you patch test at least 48 hours before treatment. Failure to do so can make your insurance null and void, so make sure you do it. We need to wait 2 weeks after a positive test before we can patch test. We also need to wait 2 weeks for anyone that's received their vaccination. Here on our consultation form, where we can give further details, this is where we can mark if the client has had a recent vaccination or a positive test result.